Good evening. So I've finished my Seleucid Elephants with the 6 riders in it. Slinger, javelin, pike, and then archer, javelin, pike in each one. And this is how they've come out. So happy with these. Elephants are completely done now. I'll leave these to sort of dry and settle, put them to a side. They can go next to the chariot. And then I can start on my my next project. So I've tried to put a bit more effort into these. There's only 6 of them. Done a couple of hours over the weekend here and there, just trying to get them up. Obviously the elephants are a focal point, so I wanted to do like the lilothorax a bit better, make them stand out. Again, no contrast paints. Blues and reds predominantly, white lilothorax. I think overall, not too bad. It's gone 8 PM on Sunday night, so my poll is now closed. It was very, very tight. One person said I should go for a 3x3, and that's it. So, so I'm just going to do whatever I want. So I'm going to go for a wedge. I've been doing some research. I thought generally I would get a few more comments on what people think and some tips, but never mind. So I'm going to go for a wedge. So I am going to put them into wedge formation tomorrow, do the base, get them done, and then make a start on the last 6. So Monday night's project is going to be that. Get them done, get them all based, and then I will start working through the remainder of my army, touching them up, finishing them off, and doing basing. And that's going to be it for this week. I'm putting off the last phalangites right until the end, and then I'll do them when I can be asked. But there you go, elephants are done. Happy with that.